So in today's lunch, I have my favorite curry. It's known as chepda in Konkani in our local language, but in English, I'm not sure. This is lady finger okra vegetable with coconut, onions, and I don't know what else. And this is fried fish. So currently the weather is nice, it's bright and sunny, but it's very hot. It's very hot. 2 minutes without the fan and you'll already be completely soaked wet. Right now I'm waiting for Elton to come. My friend is waiting for us in Navilim. We are planning to go down to the south to vlog some nice locations and everything. So let us see how it goes. And look at my dog. She's like disinterested. Dottie. Hi. What happened, Dottie? What happened? But first, let's do an outfit check. What happened? Don't jump. Ow! Don't jump, I said. So I have met my friend Bindas Kudi and we are planning to go to Agonda, 52 minutes of journey. The weather here is cooler when compared to the one in the city, right? Because a lot of trees are still there, it's like a forest area. So it's so cool because of all the trees and everything. And the city, even if I go right now, it's so hot in Margao. And this place is the best. We're taking her shots and I'm hiding my face because I'm not ready for the shot. Kilometers to go. Yeah. Beta Ji and Saas is, look at Saas तो become modern. नहीं मेरी सास बनी थी ना रील में तो हाँ.
We are all digesting what we ate.
If the truck, if anything comes on this side,
अगर हम मर गए ना vlog करते तो ये हमारा आखिरी vlog होगा. एडिट करने वाला भी कोई नहीं है.
हम यहीं पे भटकेंगे. साफ के साफ.
vlog करते करते बुलबुलैया करते
चलो चलते हैं निकलते हैं.
नहीं जाना है मुझे आराम से बैठी हूँ.
Bye for now.
So finally we are in Agonda at the moment. This is such a beautiful place. Look at this. I think it's a restaurant. Yes, it's a restaurant on the rocks. I like the name, On the Rocks. Isn't it beautiful? Hi, Elton, so cute. Look at him holding on to my purse.
Yeah.
The plane has fallen, so I'm just going to do quick. Quick. So yes, चलो चलते हैं. Salma is vlogging. I'm vlogging here.
Everybody is on the beach. Humans, animals.
you come to Goa, especially in the summertime, right? It's very important that you guys can come enjoy yourself, but some people cannot take the heat. So it's the best timing is to come at 4 o'clock, after 4 o'clock. Anytime after 4 o'clock. The thing is, whenever you come to Goa, okay, whenever you guys come to Goa and you see this board, or any beach you'll see the board, please understand, they mean it. ये हमारा पूरा सामान।
wearing shoes. Wow.
क्या बोलूं मेरे बंदे को?
But it was not dirty. You made it dirty now.
No, I didn't make it dirty.
Yes, this one.
How I make it? On the beach, you're coming with the shoes and then not asking me, I made it dirty. Look at my bag. You made it dirty.
Okay, this is our. What are those?
Hi. These are beach sandals.
I like
उसने कुछ जुगाड़ करके बनाया है।
Ellen is removing pictures of the cow. I and my G, my guy. So again, Agonda beach, you have the fisherman's getting ready to go fishing. Now these are all the fishing boats. Okay, they're preparing to go for fishing. This is the evening scene in Goa, mostly on the beach sides. Okay, then you'll have the fisher ladies sitting up over there with a basket of fish and everything. Fresh fish you would get. Okay, the thing is, it's already sundown, but look at the dog on the boat with the bindas beta dekho.
That dog is literally on the boat. पूरे मजे ले रहे हैं, पूरे feel ले रहे हैं।
Finally, our order is here: 2 roast omelette, 3 masala chai, and Salma ka muh.
Masala chai.
Second chai cup.
Life.